Hi students. Now we see the examples of a string starts with having and ends with. Okay. See, the first example is that construct DFA for language N which consists of a string starts with 0, having 1 as a substring and ends with 2 over the alphabet 0, 1, 2. See here, the smallest string will be smallest string. Smallest string is that starts with 0, having 1 and ends with 2. That is the smallest string. Okay. Now see here, we can draw here transition diagram. Start. We can give 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay. See here, 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now see here, string starts with what? 0. String starts with 0. So here we can add one more state, that is the dead state. See, if string starts with 1 or 2, it is invalid. So it can give to the dead state. See here, we can also use the self loop of 0, 1, 2. After that, condition is that string having 1, 1. Having 1, 1. If 1 will be occur, which is already given, after this 1, see here, 0 will be occur, then what can I do? If 0 will be occur, then what can I do? Here we can give the 0, because if 0 will be occur in between these two ones, it is invalid. So if 0 will be occur, then it becomes 0, 1, 1. After this 0, if 2 will be occur, then here we can also give a 2, because in between these two will be occur, it can becomes 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1. So which is invalid. So here we can give 2, 1, 1. Okay. Next, ends with 2. See here, ends with 2. Okay. So here we can give the self loop of a 2. After these 2, 0 will be occur, then what can I do? We can go back 0, 2. If 1 will be occur, then also we can go back 1, 2. Okay. Now see here, in between starts with and having. In between starts with and having, there may be number of zeros, number of ones, or number of 2 will be occurs. Okay. So see here, in between starts with and having, zeros, ones or 2s will be occur. But 1 is already given. So here we can give the self loop of a 0 or 2. Okay. Again, see here, if the in between having and ends with, in between having and ends with, the number of zeros will be occur, number of ones will be occur, number of 2s will be occur. Then here we can also give the self loop of 0, 1, 2. But 2 is already given, so here we can give the self loop of a 1. Okay. See here, now check it is fulfilled or not. Q0, 0, 1, 2, Q epsilon 0, 1, 2, Q1, 0, 1, 2, Q2, 0, 1, 2, Q3, 0, 1, 2, Q4, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now see the next example. Having string starts with. Now after this example, we can see the example of a starts with having and ends with, but with the common symbols. Okay. See here, if the string starts with AA, having AB as a substring, having AB as a substring, and ends with BA, and ends with BA, over the alphabet A, B, C, over the alphabet A, B, C. Okay. Now see here, smallest string will be, condition is that starts with AA, okay, having AB as a substring and ends with BA. From this, write A as it is, write this A as it is. Okay, in these two A we can select only one A. Okay, we can take in these two B's we can take only one B. So the smallest string will be A B A. Okay, now we can draw here the transition diagram. See here. See here, A, B, and this is the final state, A. Okay, A, B, A. Now, see here, string starts with A. So, here we can add the dead state. If string starts with B or C, it is invalid. So, it can give to the dead state. After this A, if B and C will be occur, then it is also invalid. So, it can give to the dead state. And here we can use the self loop of A or B or C. Now, see here, having AB, okay, after this A will be occur, here we can give the self loop of A. Why here we can give self loop of A? Because after this A, here B, after this A, if A will be occur, then we can give here number of A's. Number of A's will be occur, we can get AB, which is having condition. So here we can use the self loop of A. Okay, now see here, Q2 B will be given. If after this A C will be occur, then I cannot go back here because this is the starts with. So we cannot interfere in starts with. So here we can add the another one state, that is Q5. So see here, after this AC will be occur, C, then having what? AB, C, A, B. Okay, after this C, number of C will be occur. Okay, after this C, number of C will be occur. We can get the condition that A, B. Okay, then ends with what? B, A. We cannot give here self loop of A because then it become, here I can give the self loop of A, then it becomes ends with A, which is invalid because this condition is that ends with BA. Okay, now see here, after this B, if B will be occur, it can, here we can give the self loop of a B. Okay, number of B will be occur, then we can get the ends with BA. Okay, after this A, if C will be occur, after this A, C will be occur, then what can I do? C will be occur, then here we cannot give C because the string ends with CA. Okay, so here we can add one more state, that is the Q6. Okay, now see here, after this A, if C will be occur, then here we can give the C, B, A. Okay, understand? C, B, A. After this A, if B will be occur, then here we can give the B. It becomes B, A. Okay, and after this A, if A will be occur, then what can I do? I can give here A, B, A. Okay, and here I can give the self loop of A, comma C. Okay, now see here, after this B will be given. Okay, A will be given. Then after this B, C will be occur. Then what can I do? I cannot give here self loop of a C because the string ends with CA, which is invalid. Okay, so here I can give the C. Okay, C, B, A. Okay, now see here, C, B, A. Okay, now 1 minute. Okay, now see here we can check Q2. After this A will be occur, we can give here self loop of A. If B will be occur, then here B is already given. After this A, C will be occur, here we can give. After this C, number of B's after this C. Okay, here we can give B also. Why? because after this c number of b's will be occur, then we can get also a b as a substring. So here we can use the self loop of a b. Okay, this is the example of a starts with aa having a b as a substring and ends with ba. See. Next example is that starts with 0 having 0, 1, 2 as a substring and ends with 1, 2. Ends with 1, 2. Over the alphabet 0, 1, 2. Now see here, the smallest string will be. The smallest string will be. Yes, smallest string will be from this. See here, starts with 0, having 0, 1, 2, ends with 1, 2. Okay, from these two we can take only 1, 0 from these two zeros. Here 1, 2, 1, 2 is common, we can take only 1, 1, 2. So the minimum string will be, or the smallest possible string will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, see here, now we can draw the transition diagram. See, 0, 1 and this is the final state 0, 1, 2. Okay, if now see here, first we have to check starts with. If string starts with 1 or 2, it will be invalid. If the 0 will be occur in between this 0, 1, 0 will be occur, it will become 0, 0, 1, which is also invalid. If 2 will be occurs in between 0 and 1, it is invalid. Okay. Okay, starts with 0, only 0, starts with 0. Okay, here we cannot give the not a 0, 1. Okay, starts with 0. If string starts with 0, then if string starts with 1 or 2, it will become invalid. So here we can give the 1 and 2 gives to the dead state. Okay, after this 0, having 0, 1, 2, having 0, 1, 2. Okay, now see here, after this 0, 0 will be occur. Okay, here we can give the self loop of a 0. It will become 0, 1, 2. After this 0, okay, 2 will be occur. Then what can I do? Okay, 2 will be occur. Then we cannot give it to the 0 here because this is the starts with. So here we can add one more state, that is the Q4. If after this 0, 2 will be occur, then here we can give the 2. Okay, 2. Then we can have the 0, 1, 2. 2, 0, 1, 2. After these 2, number of 2's will be occur. Okay. Now see here. Having 0, 1, 2. After this 1 will be occur. Then what can I do? I cannot give here self loop because it will become a 1, 1, 2. And the condition is that 0, 1, 2. That's why here we cannot give the self loop of a 1. So what can I do? Here, if after this 1 will be occur, then here we can give the 1 because it is also having part. Okay, now see here 1, 0, 1, 2. So here we can give the self loop of a 2, 1. Okay, now see here, after this 2, condition is that ends with 1, 2. Here I cannot give the self loop of a 2 because it becomes ends with 2, which is invalid. Condition is that ends with 1, 2. After this 2, 1 will be occur. I cannot give here 1. Okay, 1, 2 because this is the having part. Okay, we cannot interfere between these parts. So here we can add the another state is that Q5. Okay, after this 1. Okay, after this 2. If 2 will be occur, then here we can use another one. Okay, after this 2, 1 will be occur, 1, okay, ends with 2 1, which is invalid. Condition is that ends with 1 2. So here we can add one more state, that is Q6. 2 1 2, okay, and we can get the final state. After these two, 0 will be occur, then here 0 1 2, okay, and here we can give the self loop of a 0 comma 2. Okay, now see here, after these two, 0 will be occur, then what can I do? 0 is already given. After these two, 1 will be occur, then I cannot give here 1. It will become 1 1 2, which is invalid. So here we can give the 1. Okay, after these two, 1 2, we can get the final state also. Now see here, here we can give the self loop of a 1. Okay. Now see here, after this 1, 0 will be occur, then what can I do? I can give here 0. Baga, 0 1 2. After this 1, if 2 will be occur, then what can I do? 2 is already given. Okay, now it is fulfilled or not. Check, it is fulfilled or not. Q3 0 1 2, Q5 0 1 2, Q6 0 1 2. Okay, now see here, it is Q0 0 1 2, Q epsilon 0 1 2, Q1 0 1 2. Okay, then Q2. Now see here, Q2. After this one, 2 will be given, 1 will be given. Then where we can give the 0. Okay, where we can give 0, here we can give the 0. Okay, yes, it is wrong. Why? Here we can give 0 because after giving 0 here, then it will become 0 0 1 2, 0 0 1 2, which is invalid. Okay, here the condition is that only 0 1 2. So here we can, if 0 will be occur, then we can give here 0 1 2. Now see, check, Q0 0 1 2, Q2 0 1 2, Q4 0 1 2, and this is also fulfilled. BC having BC. Okay, next example is that string starts with A, B, C, having BC as a substring and ends with C over the alphabet A, B, C. See here, smallest string will be A, B, C starts with, ends with, having BC, ends with C. Okay, from these BCs only we can take only one BC and C as it is. So this string will becomes, yes, here again from these two BCs, BC will be common, and after these two C's we can take only one C. So the smallest string will be A, B, C. Okay, see here transition diagram. A, B and C. Okay, starts with what? A, B and C. See here, if string starts with B or C, it is invalid. After that, if A or C will be occurs between these two, which is also invalid. If B or A will be occurs in between B and C, which is also invalid. So it can gives to the dead state. Okay, this is the starts with. Now see here, what is the condition is that string ends with C. So here we can give the ends with C. We can give the self loop of a C. After that, the remaining part is that having BC as a substring. After this C, B will be occur. Then what can I do? I cannot give B here because this is the starts with. So here we can add one more state, that is the Q4. After this C, B will be occur B, C. Okay, B, C. Number of B's will be occur here. Then it can, here we can use the self loop of a B. After this C, A will be occur. Then what can I do? We can give here A, C. Sorry. What can I do? Ends having BC. Then yes, having BC. After this C, A will be occur. Then what can I do? A, C, which is invalid. Then okay, A will be occur. A, B, C. Okay, example cut karo. Now see here, next example is that construct DFA for language L, which consists of a string starts with ACC having CA as a substring and ends with AB over the summation ABC. The smallest string will be, see here, ACC starts with having CA and ends with AB. Now see here, AC, this C will be common, so we can take only one C. Then here again these two A's are common, we can take only one A and the B. So string becomes ACC AB. ACC AB. Okay, now see here. A, C, C, A, B. See, ACC AB. String starts with ACC. So here, if string starts with B or C, we can give it to the dead state. If A or B will be occurs in between these two, then it can gives to the dead state. Also here, if A or B will be occur in between these two C, then it is also invalid. Okay, and here I can give here self loop of A comma B comma C. Now see, this is the starts with. Now having CA, after this C, number of C will be occur, we can have CA. After I and A will be given, so after this C, B will be occur, it cannot give back. Okay, because we cannot interfere between starts with. It is the starts with part. So here we can add the one more state, that is Q6. After this C, okay, B will be occur, then what can I do? Okay, B, we can have the conditions having CA. B, see here, B, C, B, C, A. Okay, then here we can give the self loop of a B. Now C, A. See here, after this B, number of A will be occur, we can have we can get the condition as having string C, A. Okay, after that ends with A, B. We can give here self loop of A. After this B, if B will be occur, then here I cannot give a self loop of A B, because the condition becomes the ends with BB, which is invalid. The condition is that ends with AB. After this B will be occur, then we can add here one more state, that is Q7. See here, after this B will be occur, B, A, B. Okay, after this B, C will be occur, then what can I do here? Here I can give C, A, B. Okay, and here we can give the self loop of a B comma C. Okay, now see here, after this B, if A will be occur, then what can I do? I can give A here, A, B. Okay, understand? Then next, if now see it is fulfilled or not. Q4 A B. After this A, if C will be occur, then what can I do? I can give C here, because I cannot give C here, C A B, which is invalid because this is the parts of having. So here we can give C, C A B. Now check Q0 ABC, Q1 ABC, Q2 ABC, epsilon ABC, Q3 A B C, Q6 A B C. Okay, Q4 A B C, Q5 A B C, Q7 A B C. Okay. Next example is that string starts with 0 to having 222 as a substring and ends with 21 over the alphabet 0, 1, 2. Okay, now see the smallest string. What is this? Which is the smallest string? See here, starts with 0 to having 222, ends with 21. 0 as it is, 1 as it is. Okay, from these two we can take only 1, 2. Okay, then these two as it is. Okay, it is the total condition. That's why here we can take these two as it is. After that, from these two we can take only 1, 2. So the minimum string will become 0, 222, 1, 0, 222, 1, 0, 222, 1. See here, zero, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, 0, 222, 1. Now see here, string starts with 0, 2. If string starts with 1 or 2, it will become invalid string. If 0 or 1 will be occur in between these two, it is invalid. Now this is the starts with. Now having 2, 2, 2. If 0 will be occur in between these two, then what can I do? I cannot give here. Okay, so here I can add new state Q6. If 0 will be occur, then 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2. Okay, we can have the condition 222. Here we can give the self loop of a 0. After these two, 1 will be occur. Then what can I do? Again here I can give 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, now see here. After these two, 0 will be occur. Then what can I do? I cannot give here 0, then 1. So see here, if 0 will be occur, I can give here 0, then 2, 2. After giving 2, 2, we can get only 2 2s. Okay, but the condition is that having 222. That's why here we can give the 0 gives to the Q6. See here, 0, 2, 2, 2. Okay, after this 2, 1 will be occur. Then again 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, see, समझते? ठीक है. Next, after this 2, if 2 will be occur, it can give, we can give here 2, self loop of a 2, because the condition is that string ends with 2, 2, 1. Number of 2 will be occur, we can get the condition as a 2, 1. Okay, now after these 2, if 0 will be occur, if I can give 0 here, it will become 0, 1. Give here, which is not valid because this is the part of a having. So we can add here one more state, that is Q7. After this one, if 0 will be occur, 0, 2, 1. 0, 2, 1, we can get the final state. After this 0, 1 will be occur, then 1 2 1. Okay, here we can give 0 comma 1. After this 2, after this 1, 2 will be occur, here we can give 2 2 1. Okay, now see here, after this 2, 1 will be given, 2 will be here, then 0 will be occur. Then what can I do? I cannot give 0 here, so here I can give the 0 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Now see, it is fulfilled or not. Q0 0 1 2, Q1 0 1 2, 0 1 2, Q2 0 1 2, Q3 0 1 2, Q6 0 1 2, then Q4 0 0 1 2, Q5 0 1 2, Q6 0 1 2. Okay, these are the examples of a starts with, having and ends with a common symbols. Okay, thank you.